my name's Mara, and this is Joe. And
Hello.
we are going to have another episode on our vlog, Mark Away! So today we're doing some kitchen organization. As you can see, our kitchen is all closed. So all the shelves are inside and it's very disorganized. But it's okay because you can't see it. But we want the kitchen to be more efficient for our cooking, right?
Yes.
So we want to organize all the shelves inside so it's easier to pick whatever you want. So the first thing we are going to organize is our breakfast counter. So it contains our tea, coffee, and all the other stuff that we use for everyday breakfast drink. So for that, we bought this type of container. So it's a cork and the bottom is the glass. It's £2.99 and we bought it online. So you can check it out online if you want this type of container for your coffee, tea, or your hot chocolate and all this stuff. And also I prepared some labels. Some of them have expiration dates which we can put in the glasses so that we can organize what's the name of it and then we're not confused because tea looks like all the same, right?
Yes.
So let's start organizing.
Yes. Get on with this.
Hi guys, so what I did was I took out all the things from the breakfast cupboard and put it here on the table, and then it's just easier not to go back and to and fro from the cupboard. So we can start with putting this container. So we already washed it and we already cleaned it, like wiped it, dried. So first we're gonna put this Burmese tea here. Maybe I should put it here on the table. Nice. So that's that. Put this thing on the side. And the label. So I put some labels in here. And we just need to make sure it's on the center. Right. Ta-da! So we've done one and it's Burmese tea. It looks really nice and because it's clear, you can see what's inside and it also helps you identify the product inside of the glass. So one done! So we're just continue doing it until we have all the stuff. Ta-da! Now it's very organized. Look at this. Nice. So this one is just an excess, so you can put like a storage box where you can put them and then you just refill them as you go along. So yeah, this will go to the storage box. Now we're going to the seasonings department of our kitchen. And we decided to buy this type of bottles for oil and some soy sauce. So it's like very easy. So it comes in a packaging like this and it comes in different sizes as well. And it's cost I think £2.99 to £3.99. And see, it's like has some bubble wrap and it looks like this. So this one you can remove, just twist it and then you can pour the liquid inside, put it back, and then there's like a rubber cap that comes with it. It looks like this. We've arranged these bottles, so we have two types of bottles for one of our cupboards. One is for liquids like olive oil, corn oil, or soy sauce or fish sauce. And then the other one is for powder. So for example, this little one, we can put some seasoning powders in here that is like too much that cannot be in the spice rack. So like for example, gravy granules, we can put it here and all the other powder stuff or the ones that you can use for cooking. So this is what it looks like. It has 3 layers. So basically the way we're gonna organize the kitchen for the kitchen cupboard for the seasonings and all the other stuff is to make it kind of like a ladderized system. So we want to be able to, when you open the cupboards, we want to see what's inside right away and just to like take it out right away. So I have to measure properly which ones are like the proper height. So that's why I have 3 sizes of bottles for liquid and 3 sizes for the powder or the granules. So that when you pick it up from the cupboard, it's easy to spot it. So we're just gonna put labels in here as well. And it's not also messy like moving all the other stuff in front and then getting the ones at the back. So it's easy and it's systematic and organized. So ta-da! So you can see this one, it has a cork lid. And the other one is like a little spout for your liquids. Yeah. So let's see, let's get organized and we'll show you what happened later on. Looks like this one. Then you open it and then you can see there's a massive one in the middle and you just open like that and it's gonna open. Just remove the paper.
Is it airtight?
Marker, yes, it is airtight. So what you need to do is you just press it. There's a seal around it, like an invisible seal, and then you press it and it's airtight. It's really nice. It's plastic as well, so it's light. Like for example, this is like a very big one, like 1.6 liters. So if you put rice on it and then it's glass, it's gonna be really heavy. So this one is plastic, so it's light. And even though it's plastic, you can use it for a long time. So you're not like, not saving the earth by using this. So it is reusable. It can be put in the dishwasher as well. You can hand wash it if you want. And it looks really nice because it's clear so you can see what's inside. So there's a full set. If you can see on the photo here, there's like a one of this big one. I think it's 1.6 liters. And then this one is 1.2 liters and 800 ml. And the little one is about 300 ml. So one box is about 20 pounds and you get all of this. So if you really want to organize your kitchen, I really did measure one by one how many will fit in the cupboard so that you don't need to waste some of the containers. Although to be honest, you can use it for little stuff like even not in the kitchen, like in the bathroom or some organization stuff like paper clips and all the other stuff. So this is the one. So I'm gonna prepare it and we'll see what's gonna happen to our cupboard once these are in. Vlog, we just mark away. Oh, I feel like it's so hard. You should be like together. Shh. Proper vlog shoot in the house.